Okay, ulitin natin. So last time we have discussed deontology and consequentialism uh, para makita natin the goodness and badness of an act. So this time we will discuss virtue ethics. Okay, this is an approach to ethics which emphasizes the person's character in moral thinking. So ibig sabihin, the emphasis is character of the individual. It is the trait of the individual. So this is the central to virtue ethics. Character becomes the focus or the emphasis of virtue ethics. So ito yung pinaka-emphasis ng virtue ethics. Meaning, that's how it is different from consequentialism. Consequentialism is focused so much on the consequence or the result of the action. At yun namang deontology naman concentrates on the rules or duties. Okay. Again, virtue ethics emphasizes on the character of the individual. Okay. It emphasizes on the character of the individual. So, yun ang kanyang pinaka-importante sa kanya. Meaning, it does not provide the moral agent with specific principles or rules to guide his actions. Walang ganon in virtue ethics. Sa kanya, it is the individual's own practical wisdom who would help the agent or the individual agent to decide, okay, which action is good and which action is bad. So, ang usapin dito is ang individual mismo sa paggamit niya ng kanyang practical wisdom, ang individual mismo ang magde-decide kung ano ang good and kung ano ang bad as a moral agent. And this has something to do with the primary objective of the individual. And the primary objective of the individual is to live a happy life. So kaya dito pumapasok yung konsepto ng mga ancients na eudaimonia. Okay. Why is it that there is a need for you to live a happy life? Kasi nga, ang project ng ancients, ang project ng pagiging buhay mo is mabuhay ka ng maligaya. So, that is your journey towards eudaimonia. So, paano mangyayari? So, kailangan kang maging virtuous individual para maging masaya. Paano mo magagawang maging masaya? Kailangan maging ethical ka, maging virtuous ka, araw-araw sa dealings mo sa mundo. Paano mo magagawa yon? Gumamit ka ng practical wisdom mo. You have to use your practical wisdom. Otherwise, wala. Hindi ka pwedeng maging mabuti at hindi ka magiging maligaya sa dulo because eudaimonia is about being virtuous. Okay? So yun ang kailangan mong gawin. So you have to be virtuous. So this is not a question of what are the rules to follow. This is a question of the moral agent seeking for goodness. So, and the moral agent can only seek goodness if the moral agent uses or practical wisdom. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang practical wisdom, maa-attain niya yung eudaimonia. Okay? That is the general principles of what we call virtue ethics. Okay. There are three forms or major forms of virtue ethics. Okay. Of course, these three forms of virtue ethics are already interpretations by contemporary theories. So, ano itong mga iba't ibang forma ng virtue ethics? Number one, we have ethics of care. Number 2, we have agent-based theories. Palagi ko mag-share ako ng aking para makita ninyo. Mag-share ako ng word ko. Okay. Wait lang. Sandali lang po. Bagal na ng computer ko eh. Masyado nang wasak. Okay. Share ko lang. Nakikita nyo? Hello? Nakikita nyo?
Opo, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes po,
Okay.
sir.
So there are 3 major forms of virtue ethics. Okay. Number 1, we have ethics of care. Number 2, we have agent-based theories. Okay, pag-uusapan natin in passing isa-isa yan para, and then eudaimonis virtue ethics, and then yan, tatlo na yan. So meaning to say, the nature and dynamics of virtue ethics can be properly understood through these 3 main forms. So ito, sa pamamagitan ng tatlong forma na ito, maintindihan daw natin kung ano talaga ang virtue ethics. Okay? Isa-isayin natin ito. Ito yung eudaimonia. Okay? Kanina, sinasabi ko yung project ng individual, eudaimonia. Okay? Ito yung ibig sabihin niyan, well, happiness, okay, para mas simple. Okay, meaning the individual project is towards eudaimonia. Kailangan niya maging maligaya. Okay, yan yung tradisyon talaga ng virtue ethics according to Aristotle. Okay. All right. Let us start with the ethics of care. Okay. So what is the ethics of care? Okay. Ethics of care holds the idea that a moral action centers on what we call social and environmental relationships. Okay? And what is the focus or the main virtue dito sa ethics of care? Well, care plus kindness. Okay, plus kindness are considered as main virtue. Okay? Sila yung tinatawag na main virtue. Question. Okay, what is care? If that is ethics of care, ano ngayon yung care? So I am tweaking around or tinitweak ko ng konting, kung papansinin nyo, instructional materials nyo, tinitweak ko ng konti, pinapasukan ko na siya ng mga contemporary interpretation of what we call virtue ethics. So ano ngayon yung care? So care is a central category according to many scholars. This is the central category in determining the moral worth of human actions. So ito ngayon yung pinaka-focus ng moral standards. Meaning, it is the primary virtue that morality is based on this motive. So, yung care ngayon ang napaka-importante dito sa unang approach ng tinatawag nating ethics of care. Care becomes the primary virtue. Now, bakit? Ano ang tinatawag nating ethics of care na yan? So, ethics of care examines what we call moral practices and values, and this these values focuses on what we call moral development. So, dito pumapasok yung tinatawag nating the reformation of practices rather than the use of reason. Kung papansinin nyo, yung eudaimonia, basta gumamit ka ng practical reason, ayos na. Kasi itimbangin mo yung sitwasyon and then gagawin mo na yung tama at mali depending on your character and the nature of the agent. But in the ethics of care, it is also an approach to virtue ethics, but this is made possible through what we call the reformation of practices. Yung mga practices mo na dati mong ginagawa, babaguhin mo yon kasi magiging sentro na sa iyong filosofiya ng moralidad ay yung care at saka kindness mo sa iyong lipunan, sa iyong relasyon sa lipunan, sa iyong relasyon sa environment. So that is actually the principle of ethics of care. So what is being nurtured here is your relationship with society, your kapwa, and your environment. So that is what we call ethics of care. Now let us go to the next one. Yung susunod natin is the agent-based. Okay, the agent-based theories. Okay, sandali, may mali ako dito. Okay, may hyphen to. Okay, agent-based theories. Now, what is being said about agent-based theories? Agent-based theories views the status of actions as entirely dependent upon the moral status. Again, the agent pa rin. The moral status of an agent's motives and character. Okay? So, nandyan yung character. If you can notice, what is important in virtue ethics is to concentrate on the character of the agent. Okay? So, meaning, yung agent ang focus niyan. So, it is the agent's characters. So, yung motive na expressed through the agent. Okay, that is what we call agent-based theories. Now, let us go to the third one. Ito yung example dito talaga, laging ginagawa. Yung eudaimonia ni Aristotle. Okay? Now, what is eudaimonism? Okay. This comes from the word eudaimonia, which is directly translated as happiness o kaya well-being, or yung tinatawag nating the good life. Okay. Yan yung kay Aristotle. Actually, pag tinignan mo yan, yung ethics of care, agent-based theories, lahat yan papasok dito sa well-being and good life. Kaya lang, kasi virtue ethics silang lahat. Kaya lang, ang concern natin dito is yung approaches kasi itong mga to. So, they are not in conflict with each other, pero nagko-complement sila with each other. So, that is what we call approaches of virtue ethics. Meaning, the highest goal of the individual human agent is to be happy. Okay. Yan. Okay, let us now continue and discuss the golden mean theory of Aristotle. Okay. May tanong kayo? So, diniscuss natin a little a while back what is virtue ethics. And these are the three approaches of virtue ethics. Ethics of care. Okay. We have ethics of care. And then agent-based theories, meaning the main focus is the character and motive of the individual agent. And eudaimonia, which is the most popular. This is, by the way, the most popular virtue ethics. Okay. So, meaning the objective or the project of the human agent is to be happy.